Ayikuthi mfethu sama friends asifani mina ngise-right loya coach mfethu useyenze lolukhulu phela iPirates loya coach. And masingathi sithola ucoach omusha usazofika nezinto eziningi efuna mhlambe ukufana abanye ama-player kanti lo useyawazi ama-player useyawazi nama-player angawathenga mhlambe next season yabo. Aye manje ucoach omusha uzosikhosta mfethu mangathi sifuna ucoach omusha shuthi iligi nje na next season mawuthi mhlambe uRivelo mhlambe akazoyivuselela icontract soba nenkinga mfethu kanti
Azi
ngiyamthemba futhi uRivelo mfethu uRivelo ngiyamthemba ukuthi nje siweza nebhadi salingelelwa nama player and isquad sethu futhi asikho futhi kahle.
yeah, yazi kodwa kunento mhlambe abantu abaningi abangayinaki. The reason why Orlando Pirates neKaizer Chiefs ingayiwini league. The reason why ngizoyibala neKaizer Chiefs. Ningixolele mina ama supporters zeKaizer Chiefs lapho enikhona kwipanel. But iKaizer Chiefs neOrlando Pirates amathima amadala lawo. Dala babekwazi ukuyiwina ileague. Babekwazi ukuyiwina ileague because babesebenzisa indlela zakudala ukuthola abadlali. Yabo. Iyaziwa iOrlando Pirates kuthiwa angisho ukuthi mhlambe into le eyivamisile ukwenzela kodwa iOrlando Pirates yayinako ukuthi abadlali ibavalile ekhoneni mefuna ukubasayini yemakubo yabo kanje. Yabo Orlando Pirates yayinawo ukuthi umdlali mebiza ingayixaki ngayo. Umdlali nje icontract yakhe imibiza abayixaki ngayo abamthengi lo mdlali. Yabo siyakubona kwenzeka futhi still happening right now. Yabo izinto ezikanjalo. Kaizer Chiefs nayo same thing. Kaizer Chiefs abadlali bathola kakhulu mase beyi free contracts. Mase beyima free agents babathola kakhulu mekusekunjalo. Yabo. So lento engisho iOrlando Pirates neKaizer Chiefs basasebenzisa isidala ukuthola abadlali. Basasebenzisa isidala. Orlando Pirates bayabona ukuthi umdlali mebiza abayixanga lo mdlali. Abayixanga lo mdlali Jaden Adams asinethuba simthola Jaden Adams. We have a chance of signing Jaden Adams. Sangamthenga because Stelis sasimbizisa. Thina sasina imali. Jose Rivero maningi ama-cups asewawinile in the last 2 years. Maningi ama-cups awawinile. And lawo ma-cups lawo anemali. Lawo ma-cups anemali. Yabo. So ngempela iyangixaka lento ukuthi why singabathenga abadlali misibadinga. Osuna Police besine chance usimthenga Osuna Police. Mesifuna ukuchallenge kahle for ileague. Yabo besinayo ichance usimthenga Osuna Police mesifuna ukuchallenge for ileague but asikwazanga umthenga because imanagement ayifuna ukukhipha imali. Bezoyikhipha imali bathenga abadlala abayiquality. Yabo iyenzani iOrlando Pirates ithi cha. Sina sizoya le ezansi sothola abadlali abasebenzela. Mina ngiyongijoza ungachallenge iSundowns ngomdlalo osuka ku-NFT. Ngeke uchallenge iSundowns ngomdlalo osuka ku-NFT. Kaizer Chiefs same story nayo. Ngeke uyichallenge iSundowns abadlali obathola on a free transfer. Abadlali asebephelele ushadini. Yabo. Umdlalo sesiphelele ushadini nomkhumbula lo umdansana osuka ku-Cape Town City bamlanda on a free transfer. There are many players ababalanda on a free transfer sebephelele ushadini. Yabo. So ngempela mfethu angi-understand indlela yo cultivate like yokuthenga abadlali esiyisebenzisayo thina. Yabo iSundowns right now Flemingburg. Umazi uFlemingburg umuntu wale phesheya yabo umlungu. Flemingburg uyi-sporting director. Umuntu obheka abadlali osayina abadlali. Right now bano Ribeiro, bano Allende, yabo bano Sales, bano Esquivel, bano Suarez abadlali abasuka le. Lo badlali abalando yena lo baba lo. Because uyakwazi ukubeka uyakwazi ukubona italent. Thina umdlali mebiza siyixanga lo mdlali. Asiyixanga njengalo mdlali sisebenzisa labadlali esinabo. Abantu abaningi bablame ucoach. Ungamblame kanjani ucoach unama defender amaningi? Mase uyobheka ama defender eOrlando Pirates, we have more defenders than attackers. Then you blame coach. Undangi yaza korela igoli. Umbokazi wakora but ubeke iphizilane Stelis. Those are defenders. You need to rely on ama attackers to win the game. Yes, ngenzeka kuba ma set piece bakora. If you can check in the last 3 games we played, ama-defenders askorelile usibisi benombokazi. Nombokazi. Kwase kwakora bani another player uyi-attacker uMahobo. Yabona ukuthi there's a crisis. There's a crisis. There's a crisis kuma-forwards wethu. Even uMfukeng akenzi kahle lapha. Yabo. uNkota akenzi kahle lapha. Mabasa naye same story. Yabo. So there is a crisis laphana and lento le idinga uku-addresswa ngempela. Abantu abaningi bazoblame ucoach because they see ukuthi uyena umuntu abangamblame fast. Yabo. Uyena umuntu abangamblame fast.
Hayi khona iform isehlele samabhakabhaka. Hayi yehlile impela nje kuma-players ethu nje. Angazi noma sekhathele likanje.
Hayi. Insizwa yomZulu.
Bafa manje ngisanimana.
Hayi kuyaphileka bafa.
Sho ba.
Hayi ngiyaphila. Yazi i-concern yami ilele la ekutheni khona lo baba lo technical team ye-Pirates lo soshona ubano Ace Tsolenga. Yeah, mina ngiblame kakhulu i-technical team ye-Pirates hayi coach ngoba kwashona lo baba wayithenga abadlali.
Uskrima shabalala, uskrima nsizwa.
Uskima ngiyabonga bafu. Uskima yabona ngoba kwashona la baba akuphindanga kwathengwa. Buka ngoJanuary ukuthi Pirates ayithenga abadlali. Ngoba uskima kade ngasekho. Umuntu agent ngampela exhumana kakhulu nama players exhumana kakhulu nama agents. Ngoba engasekho scheme akasekho umuntu omreplaceayo ukuthi Pirates ithenga abadlali. Kumanje kuthulekile you are suffering just because scheme akasekho.
And yazi khona enye into evana ngazi noma iqiniso yayikhulunywa omunye umjida nje komunye life ethi njengoba iPirates siphethwe uMpumi Khoza nje sisazokuthwala idombolo samabhakabhaka leya ntwana ngeke ikhiphe imali.
Ne. Yabona kodwa angazi noma bakhona abantu abasile kuleya technical team noma kanjani because you cannot loan out abadlali. Loan out ama-attackers. Ungawalona out kanjani ama-attackers? Ubona
Ama-winger ndoda. Namhlanje sidlalisa obandile Shandu as i-winger.
Ohotho.
Hey ndoda, hayi
sisenkingeni ngempela but ke kule game yangi-weekend kumele senze sure ukuthi siyawina at least. Yabo sithole lo sibhongo leso mfethu but sifocus kakhulu le kwi-Champions League. Yabo. Cabanga Mavondla. Ngiyaphuleka bhuti.
Bhuti omdala kunjani? Mfakane.
Ngiyaphuleka.
Bona into yokuqala that we need to fix is to get an elder go Pirate management lapha. Because especially Saka Skrima Shabalala, they roped in umfana lo we student activist or lower KZN, and for me he doesn't understand soccer. He's good in talking, but he can't do what Skrima Shabalala did.
Yes.
And I agree that this guy indeed is the administrator. They are destroying the team because they are going to use the same system York Save Imali. And when you are running a team like Pirate, you don't need that. We are people that's supposed to win. And they will never take out Imali because they think that they will develop. Yes, it's good to develop. Development it will work for us in future, not now. Look at what is happening on Manchester United. Manchester United is struggling because they used to spend billions. They were buying success more than developing. So I'm saying regarding development, we are doing good. And development, we need to mix it with big guys so that they can be able to gel with these young boys. And number two, I still feel that Rivero's mind is no longer here. I feel that since that guy left, his assistant left, he's going to open some doors somewhere for him. This guy is going to leave. This guy is no longer going to sign the contract. Because why, I'm saying that? You, as a coach, you are a manager. You are managing your team. In Abagasaleng, he was the coach doesn't have a right to take Ishwaka Saling and say the management will deal with it. No, he's the first manager who's managing the players. He's supposed to fight for his players. Look at Peter Msimani. Peter Msimani will fight for Abu Mshishi. He will fight for their contract. He will fight. So our coach, I feel like he's just quiet and he's running his business as usual. He's running his business as usual. And he's the first person that he need to fight for players. And honestly speaking, Maunga Pega, since also we hired the guy from Stellenbosch, not the first one, the second one who came now. I feel that working our players more than playing soccer. They are working hard in terms of training. That is why now, Maunga Pega, the only team that go intense, Guma season when before the league open, it's Pirate. Pirate goes all out. They go to Spain. They push these players. And some of the players now they can't run because of the intense of the training that we have in the beginning of the season. So these are the results of what we have now. Now, if I was a coach by now I could have at least have, even if the second team that is able, that I'm able to trust, irrespective of what is happening. Look at Ulpasa is back to. Ulpasa is time for you to play Lepasa now. It's time for you to play in that now. Because of, as you have said, league might not be over. It might happen. This is soccer, brother. This is soccer. Sometimes might be to the next 2 games and all the stuff. We need to fight until the end. So, but what is important, we cannot fight when there are players that are owning the team. They are owning the team. There was no need for us to honestly speaking, again, Stellenbosch. If I was a coach, I was not going to play Utito based on the intents of the game. And I know that he's a slow person. We need a person to that will push the players up front. I was not going to put Sandy. I was going to play with 3 at the back because we've got nothing to lose. I was going to push one midfield so that we can have only one player in the midfield and push the rest, because what Stellenbosch was doing was playing a low back. They were not moving. They were sitting at the back. So what you need to do, push players in the middle. Push Umbogazi because it's a good, or Usvis. Push him in the middle and remain with 3. And push one from the middle. And Ufagu Makhopa, there was no need for him to put Ushami. So for me, I'm saying, brother, I think that our coach's mind is no longer here. And I feel that he has lost the trust to management because the management failed him. They didn't date. Bamen said 30 for not signing players. Bamen said 30 big time. So he doesn't have a confidence that he used to have before. Honestly speaking, I'm not blaming the coach. I'm saying he doesn't have a confidence that he used to have before. And number 2, he's just running the team for the sake of finishing the league. I don't see him coming back. I don't see him signing a contract. I don't see him, even if they can say whatever, but I don't see this guy coming back again. And the only players that he have, Abonkota must be graduated in the midst of such games. They must be graduated players are grand, and then like the way we have introduced Mfuke. Mfuke, whenever thrown him like that. We used to play him 15 minutes. We used to play him 5 minutes so that he can gather the strength. But now, because we've got no one in the bench, we just put him on. He's doing too much because I feel like he wanted also to take the glory. He want to equal himself. Can't you work, bro? You work, you relax, you do your things, and at the end of the day, we will push. Like honestly speaking, we don't look at our bench. Our bench is like a hospital. We don't have a person that will, when you say Lomangangena is going to revive everything. And you can't trust Utlamini, even if I'm a supporter and I'm Utlamini is not a person to start the game. Utlamini is a person that you need in order for you to open the game and destroy the game second half. But when you play him first half, the whole 90 minutes, he can't run, he can't mark. The only way that is active is when he has a ball in him. So such person, you to change your game. But because we don't have players on benching, so we cannot put him second half and all the stuff. So I'm saying, let the coach play players and bring back our Lepasa. We need Lepasa in Africa. We need Lepasa because Lepasa, during the time when he was playing for Bafana Bafana, he used to score. He used to score each and every game. He used to fight. He used to fight each and every game. So put him in. I'm saying, even if we can have great players, we can have great players. I was saying, look at how this guy Makaula is working hard. Makaula is good. But Makaula is not going to carry Pirates next year. Next year, the age is not going to, it's going to catch up with him. So he's good in fighting. Now you have Umbata, who is playing very well, and while he's starting to gel, I am replaced because it's a system that the coach is using. He will grow.
Veni ngicela ukuthi ungaphinde uthi awusazi ukuthi konakelephi kuyolana Pirates ngoba lokho engasekho lo baba ubakambigama lakhe ubakambigama lo baba lo washona
uprima ubano Shabalala
yabona nje kuba ngasekho mina ngiyafisa ukuthi sengathi sikhundleni kweSkema Shabalala kungaqashwa uJoseph Makhanya ngoba elinye zanzi anyuswe ngoba siyalibona igalelo lakhe. Mina ngiyafisa ukuthi ngathi ngatholakala ucoach ongeke ukuthi sibe senyuswa uJoseph Makhanya angene esikhundleni sikaSkema Shabalala ngoba he's connected to players.
Yes. Hayi ngizwakala ngisathanda ngifuna ukubuyela kule nkulumo yaNkoda ngikuzwile bafo athaba ngimavundla ubale ngaNkoda many members are blaming uNkoda because uNkoda akadlali kahle yabo oqala uNkoda nje bade uchazela uNkoda akafananga nje uMfukeng was introduced by uJose Rivero when iOrlando Pirates inabadlali abanjengolotsha abanjengoSaling when isquad sasaphelele wayengangeni uMfukeng ngadlala u90 minutes khona uLotsha khona uSaling uMfukeng waye introduce igame siyophela yabo introduce igame siyophela athowe lawo ma minutes athi ukudlala ne-first team yabo ombukazi bafakwe in the deep end nje because sinenkinga right now asinawo ama center backs oNkoda bayafakwa because abekho Saling abadlala abama-starters abangakwazi ukuthi bayidlale leya position leya yabo thina sihluleko yini ukuthi sikwazi ukulanda abadlali abawudlalela ngiwindi lela ngoJanuary uGilberto bekuyisikhathi sakho ukuthi athole igame time lesi ukuthi athole igame time awaqala ama games thina bese uqala uGilberto ahead of uNkoda khona uGilberto ezojwayela kahle leya position leya sakhetha thina ukumlona out bese uqala bani uOtladisa ayijwayele leya position leya sakhetha thina ukumlona out sadlalisa bani shuthi yona plan ebesinayo le ukuthi uShantu mebuya sodlalisa yena kuya position shuthi yona plan Orlando Pirates ibina and abantu abaningi angazi ngempela angazi mhlambe wena Mpho ungangisiza lapho yabo
bheke kanjani
ayaplay membe
khamba kahle membe ngiyabezwa bafethu ukuthi bathini la the situation tricky man but I also feel ukuthi ukushona kaStan ukuslimazi kakhulu. Hello sasekhona
ngisakhona
sasekhona
member sasekhona
yeah I believe ukuthi ukushona kaStan kuslimazi kakhulu because I think bantu Stan ashonanga I think issue kaSaling would have been resolved by now. Since he's a father figure to these players, and Maulela my interviews other previous players, you can clearly see ukuthi ube nesandla kakhulu at the success of previous players. The last interview engayilalela kwakungeya Brighton Clong, which was very informative. So yeah man, I also think ukuthi in as much as Umfukeng got quality players, but I feel like it's too soon, man, for Umfukeng carry Orlando Pirates.
Yeah,
like a lot of pressure is on the boy, and it's unfair. Mausu Sagat because Mausu you can't compare Umfukeng to Rivero, for example, because Rivero has been at Sundowns for like 2 seasons, 2 full seasons at Lana. and Mfukeng, it's only his first season Matatu yabo.
Istarta
And
kahle.
and yes, I start and the overload yama games. Kade ngibuka ama stats. Lo mjithu usedlale 34 games. Not 34 games. Usedlale 33 games. And the Pirates have had 34 games. The only game I started on Mfukeng is in Akunjan EM10 8 final, which is not fair.
We're darling.
It's not really fair. So kunzima, but on the other hand, I feel like, honestly, what I feel like is that management had a discussion no Rivera even before January transfer window. Yabo, and Rivero mhlawumbe kwaba nama request abanawo and they were not met. So he decided ukuthi no, I'd rather leave because vele sengukhumbula umndeni wami nani. I've been away from home for like 2 seasons and a half already. So I'd rather leave, and hence why like it's being realistic, man. The reason why we didn't sign players in January is because of a new project coming up, and they already know management local Josiah will need his own players. And manje leyo nto leyo iyi-setback mawusuthi uthatha uyayibheka, because a new project that is going to start up again is going to be another waste of another 3 years.
Sazobuilda futhi. Lento le isibuyisela kulento yakhumbula lesikhathi when you lost uRudy Kroll. When you lost uRudy Kroll, we had another one more better season because the squad was still the same. And the squad could pick up because babedlala ndawonye kusasekhona uRudy Kroll. So it was easy for them. Kahle babeyinela le treble yesibili. Unlike what was happening afterwards, because mawukhumbula kahle kwathi after leyo season leyo bewina treble yesibili, kwathi makhambo Andile Jali, makhambo Isaac Chansa yaqale sashona phansi. So I feel like it's going to be a downfall, but asazi ukuthi basiphatheleni. And the thing elimaza kakhulu in this factor is that the management is not communicating with the fans. They're too arrogant to communicate with the fans. This is what is happening. This is what we're trying to do. So that was totally baking here to Yonk. But what are they doing? They decide to keep quiet. Right now, we don't know. We are not saying Napoli Saleng is a one-man team. That is not what we're saying. But what we're saying is the contribution yakhe somewhere right now. Yes. So we don't know at the moment who's wrong, because everyone is keeping quiet and everyone is not saying anything, and everyone is not telling us the truth. And it's hard ngempela, kunzima ngempela. Ngicela la uku-update ama-members mhlambe angayibuki i-Orlando Pirates ejwayele ukuposta isitshela abanzi ngama-injury list, injury updates. ULepasa, uMiguel Team, uNda, labo badlali labo basakwi-rehab, abakabi fully fit, basanikezwa basalulama, but bona bayajima neclub, but basalulamisa, same as uThapelo Gxoki. I feel like uThapelo Gxoki uku-introduce kwakhe kwaba-rushed. uThapelo Gxoki angamele abuyiswe fast kanje, kwakumele ahlale kancane ebhenchini athi ukululama kahle, same as uSibisi. If you remember, uSibisi wabuya last season injured. uSibisi asimrashanga ukuthi abuye, wadlala nje kahle uSibisi, wahlala ebhenchini, kwathi sekulimala uNdasa esisimbuyisako uSibisi. Nangu uXoki kwathi kulimala uSesane nje, esathanda kubuya kwi-injury somfaka in the deep end, because uXoki wesathanda kubuya, I think wesedlale how many games, 3 games if I'm not mistaken, nakhona introduce ama-minutes amancane, the samfaka against the Sundowns. Obvious social. So mfaka Sundowns. sasingezi ngashawo uxoki phela bengakaza udlalo 90 minutes yabo.
And also uNakhunjana yabona nje I give uNakhunjana I give coach wethu uRivero again ama-props ngiyohlezi ngisho ngithi mina I respect each and every decision enziwa uJose Rivero because wabuka into eyi-1 phela uJose Rivero could have easily introduced uMbokazi Dlane Sundowns but he looked ukuthi okay fine I'd rather throw an experienced player with deep end because ngiyazi ukuthi his skin is thicker than umfana omncane.
Yeah.
But uMbokazi wasimosha against iSundowns. Ngiyakutshela ngabe ama-Pirates fans are all over him and I don't think ukuthi wayengama-manager ukuNakhunjana. I don't think une skin estick ngaleyo ndlela leyo ukuthi ngawa-manager ama-critics.
Yeah.
But he chose ukuthi no yazini let me put in Xoki whatever happens ngiyazi ukuthi kuzoba ne-excuse yokuthi hayi unfit or whatever the case may be. Yeah, so it's unfortunate. It's unfortunate. Yes, it's never. Yes, remember now Tabang Oshilo what the league is still worth fighting for. But honestly, Mangbuga, the way we are playing and the way things are done at this moment, it kicks us out because like you don't know what to expect in the next game. If in the next game a team pulls up a low block, then we are out again.
Yeah, finally, because manje kumele sine each and every game.
Exactly.
Kumele sine each and every game. So playing Sundowns and expecting to win, and expecting to win that game too. Enye futhi problem le because iSundowns akusiyona team ongavela uyi-approach nje ezuzoyiwin. Yabo wayibona iKaizer Chiefs idlala neSundowns. iKaizer Chiefs angazi noma yimina yini but iKaizer Chiefs indlela edlala ngakhona neSundowns ihlukile ngendlela thina edlala ngakhona neSundowns. Sina mas-approach game yeSundowns it feels like sayisaba. Angazi bethu abadlali bePirates vele kwenzakaleni. Ihla neSundowns vele siyisabe nje isidingo singekho. Yeah, I remember those days iPirates ingayisabi iSundowns bethu kumnandi kudlalwa nje ibhola but manje kule season nje bethu kule season mesodlala like ibhola asikwazi ukulibamba bayahluleka ukumaka uRivero. Mukhumbula kahle iMiguel team last season iMiguel team kokumdlala esasimsebenzisa ngempela iswing. iMiguel team wayekwazi ukumaka iswing. uAlendo wayazi kahle ukuthi akwazi ukuba ukuhamba nebhola lapha eswing because wayazi ukuthi kwakhona umdlalo ekuthiwa uMiguel team owayemvala yabo lapha eswing nje sasinosigugulu kuMiguel team. Manje ngibona uRivero ekwazi ukukhatha in kanje ngamabhola eWalker Free vele ngicikeke mfethu ukuthi why nihlule ukumaka lo mdlalo. uRivero akanaso speed. uRivero slow. Siqale lapho nje uRivero uslow kodwa bayahluleka ukuthatha ibhola. Angazi kana hey member but ke igame yango Saturday.
Yeah, and also remember I feel like I don't know man I feel like thina madlana eSundowns in a cup game angazi ukuthi kushintsha like imood in the camp iyashintsha compared to masdlala kwi-league game. Masdlala kwi-league game I think sisuke sinayo leyo nto at the back of our minds ukuthi okay we can play for a draw, it's fine. But masdlala kwi-cup game we become aggressive ngale ndlela leyo ukuthi we know ukuthi it's a one game show. We need to show up, and if we don't show up, we lose the cup. So I think also the mentality needs to change. Because I think we are too scared, Mazda Sundowns league. Yeah.
Ngizwakala madoda bengizokhuluma nje about le game yango Saturday and ask ama-members ukuthi basanalo yini uvalo layo ileague basanalo yini ithemba layo ileague yabo ukuthi ngi-address finale indaba le coach indaba ye-club ukuthi a-club kwenzakalani nge-club yabo ngitshela abantu nje mfethu but ke ongakakhulumi angazama ukuthi akhulume mfethu la.
I think bafethu ngiyazibusela nami la ku-live ne. I think la match it's on Sunday. I think it's on Sunday that game. But on my point of view, if we can keep Umbokazi la ekhona guys, at least we can do something better, yabo. We can do something better. Then sigcine la ebenchini la mfana bambiza uDlamini, yabo. Ngoba
Yeah.
istamina sakhe sigijima siphele, yabona. So la mfana right for ama second half, yabo. So I think if we can keep Umbokazi la khona, yeah, uMakhawula I think uslow yabo for middle fielder eSundowns because la labafana hayi bagijima labafana bagijima abadlali. So middle fielder yethu kuba slow guys, I think that's where bazasifumana khona, yabo. Because uMakhawula I think ne-age naye seyihambile and then naye akakho fast la adlala khona.
Hayi ngizwakala madoda but ke ngokwami mina abantu abaningi ngihlezi ngibatshela lento le uDlamini samthenga ngezikhathi zabo hot. Samthenga ngezikhathi zabo hot, samthenga ngezikhathi zabo Vincent Pule. Yabo abadlali besabaningi ngalezo zikhathi uDlamini simthenga ngokuthi abe umdlali wasecond half. Noma ungamthanda kanjani uDlamini futhi asimthenganga ukuthi abe umdlali wasecond half. uDlamini samthengela ukuthi abe umdlali ozokwazi ukuba i-playmaker because dingo number 10. Yabo. So manje sengizwa ama-friends amaningi bethi hayi uDlamini umdlali ogrand but ngathi ungamdlalisa second half ungamqalisi. Angamqalisi kanjani? uTito masimqalisa uyasenzela into esidingayo. uTito wa-assistela uMabasa lapha. Amagoli amaningi. First half.
But Buti, uDlamini Buti, uyasicosta kaningi. Remember, there's a time the best way to attack is defense. So when we need him mostly with defense, but ageko. Then when you play you play him against Makhawula, you are exposing him from the midfield. Now, what Sundowns did, they know that he's too slow, he can't mark. They pack the midfield so that umkwena makawini ball bayinikeza Rivero quickly because they know ukuthi umuntu okosamake lapha akekho. So for me, he can play 10 second half, but not as a player that start the game. He's gonna kill us again.
Angempela lapha esiswini we need futhi another player ozokwazi ukureplace uMbatha. Yebo mase ngibheke lapha mina ngokwami umdlalo ongakwazi ukureplace uMbatha uNdlondlo. I don't know noma ucoach akayibonini lento. But uNdlondlo uma kulimala uMbatha wawungadlalisi uNdlondlo. uNdlondlo mfethu mina ngokwami in the last 3 games uNdlondlo he has been featured in kulama last 3 games and ubedlala kahle. But ke last game ubehlele ebenchini uzawa introducer isizophela igame and nakhona futhi introduction kwakhe udlale kahle. Why uNdlondlo engaqali kuqaliswa uDlamini beyuza uDlamini asinikeze lutho meqala. Koqalisa uNdlondlo adlalise ubini uMakhehleni Makhawula. uNdlondlo uyakwazi ukumaka. uNdlondlo uyakwazi uthatha ibhola ephambili anikeze ama forward. uNdlondlo uyakwazi ukushaya ama long ball kuma wingers. Why kungaqalisa uNdlondlo lapha esiswini? Kanti wanikeza ithuba.
iphutha fethu sanibona fethu iphutha la Rivero real game yabona mina ikhathi efaka uNdlondlo angizokhipha uMakhawula. I don't know ukuthi why Goodman isele first half yena kuphela umuntu owayezama fethu ukugcina ibhola owazi oyizama ukudlalisa. Why fethu enganikezwanga ama-minutes enough? I didn't understand leya saphu leyana because uMakhawula wayesekhathele uyabo. So nje mfethu mina I think mhlawumbe uNdlovu umusele singazama ukuthi kube uyena umuntu mhlawumbe simzamayo instead of uMbatha.
Inkinga-ke ulobaba lo uMakhehleni Makhawula akekho umuntu esingashintshisana naye. uGoodman nosel uyakwazi ukubamba ibhola yes but akakwazi ukumaka njengoMakhehleni Makhawula. uMakhehleni Makhawula simdinga kakhulu ekumakeni. Kube mhlawumbe ukhona uMiguel team, yes I would understand ukuthi sikhiphe uMakhehleni Makhawula sifake uMiguel team, but you cannot change uMakhehleni ufake uNdlondlo. You can change uDlamini ufake uNdlondlo. Yes, that makes sense to me. But you cannot change omunye nomunye. Oh, but siyazi.
And enye into phela bafethu uDlamini ubeqale ngoba uTiti eqala ebhenchini. Kule game yaSunday uTiti uzoyiqala uDlamini obvious uzoba sebhenchini.
Yes, I think for me ube protector coach because unamakhadi amaningi same as Mfukeng nayo. Mfukeng unamakhadi amaningi. Which is this player again onamakhadi amaningi, but there are many players lapha kwi-Orlando Pirates abanamakhadi obengenzeka abangadlali mase sidlala ne-Sundowns. So I saw ukuthi coach kahle kahle beba protector bese because udlala against Mamelodi Sundowns. But nje besingekho for me istingo. Yabo besingekho istingo because still akusiyona iclub encane. Still is iclub yangempela. Yabo, iclub yangempela. So ukudlalisa abajida bakanje eswini yasayisise still simnandi. Yabo, still even though badayisa abadlali badlala eswini, but sisabo abadlali baba-recruiter badlala kahle lapha eswini. So thina si-approach leya game la besi open eswini. So dlalisa uDlamini. uDlamini akusiyena umdlali ongaba defensive. uDlamini akwazi ukusisiza abuye emuva azosisiza yabo.
There's one thing that I hate. You can't tell me you're resting players and you need the points.
Yeah,
You can't do that. Like you literally
it doesn't
can't.
make sense.
It doesn't make sense. Collect the points, then sobona ukuthi the next challenge sevia kanjani. You rest players kusho kahle ukuthi you don't trust the players that you have in your squad. But ekubeni wena you told us in the media ukuthi you have 37 players trying to protect the very same management wena engakuprotect.
Cool.
It doesn't make sense. Just play the players. Ngcono sizame esihlulekile. Sibone ukuthi uhlulekile. Kunokuthi usirestele abantu just for khona ama games. Truth wena you just doing the same thing because mangibuka amanakho njani ama videos last year we Pirates camp nani. The players told us that this season we don't need to choose games. Now akusasiwa ama players are choose ama games seku inakho njani technical team choose ama games. I don't understand that.
Yabona nje khona umfowethu oshilo wathi uLuntuza uRivero uphelelwe confidence. You can tell in fact ubona nange creativity yakhe. Wenza ama decision ozubamba ikhanda ukuthi uyicabangile lento ayenza usho kona akasekho ngempela la mfethu akasekho and manje it's the worst time to not to have confidence or have creativity.
Exactly, especially when you're still going to the Champions League quarterfinals.
Yeah. Manje manje le game eSundowns mina bengizothi ngiyibona vele iyasile iSundowns ngisho sidlala safe. Mina bengizothi ngiyibona abashone kuyona same as njengoba iKaizer yenza. iKaizer ngiyifuna impela but you know iKaizer masiza kuwena. You don't know which side ufovale ngayo. Yabo iKaizer mhla win striker. Bengadlala ngcono bengawina ama game because abanaso striker. Because ba direct bayaya kumuntu. Hey thina ayi
Yabonje mina member. Imena of approach. Bengizo approach ngale game eSundowns. Bengizothi nje bafethu ayilimeze etsheni. Ngifaka umahopa nomabasa. Same time. Ayilimeze etsheni nje straight because vele Stephendani. I mean we are last zozama ukuprotect ipride yethu. Sidlala ekhaya. Sundowns can't be doing the same thing they did at Loftus. Angithi kuqala sa complain asabavikela abadlali because the pitch was not okay. Lana home ground yethu we need to fight. And we need to play with two strikers. Yes, batshengise nje kusukela ekuqaleni ukuthi no asizile ukuzodlala.
Even Arrows bethi did it last week bedlala neSundowns ngangikhona stadium. They were bazathi ibekwa nje Arrows was the one who usemqaleni eSundowns. Bale bahlehla yazakwazi ukuthi bayiqede igame ngo-1-1 because if you're gonna stand back uzophela mfethu uzophela.
Now iSundowns put is share from the middle. Once they own that midfield, they know that once they own midfield the Pirate, there's no supplier that is going to supply the striker. So what they do, they pack their midfield. That had to Orlando. In the midfield. From there, they take their back four. They put it closer to the midfield. So they know that we're a team that is not playing with long balls. We're a team that work on pockets. They narrow the ground. So it becomes impossible for Ito and other people to operate. So what is important when we play against them? Give them what they're giving you. Pack the midfield. Faga Gutman Musele, Faga Makaula, Faga Ubata at the same time. so that they do
Yeah.
what? They close the gap, yabo, Allende and all the stuff, and that way it becomes easy. But if you want to Shari Sundowns be weak in the middle field, once they take charge of the middle field, you're gone, you're out.
Yeah, but also remember, Mina, I hear what you're saying, but Mina, I'd prefer playing Umakhopa, no Nakunjana, no Mabasa in that game. Reason being, Umabasa siyazi ukuthi we always can find him in the box. Umakhopa akastretchele defense, sike sibone ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani. Yabo akastretchele defense, sike sibone ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani, and I think there will find pockets of Urile. You'll find Urile being effective because Umakhopa will be roaming around that front, that back, because badlala nge-back two. Yabo badlala nge-back two because uMudiba usuke engenela eswini, usuke etake in, bonke basuke betake in. So let's yabo nje, let's expose those spaces. And Umakhopa, I think mabengaqala benomabasa, there would be a very good advantage because angithi uMabasa will be stuck into the box. Uzobe makumuntu oyi-1. Umakhopa ustretcha lo munye. Obviously, we say out of position loyo. Then we can find those spaces. But we'll see.